This is our Fast Track Elite Series suspension, and it's an upgrade for our standard Fast Track, which has been on the market now for several years. The performance of that Fast Track is right where we want it to be. It's an outstanding performing suspension, but we felt the need to kick it up in the styling department a little bit and offer something for some of the more higher end vehicles. The concept started with this Fast Track billet spindle, or upright. The need for incorporating a single piece steering arm into the design was kind of where it all started. And going from there, we kind of just threw some style at it and engineered this complete C6 upright, which is now just specific to our Fast Track suspension. And from there, it was just a natural fit to machine the arms as well. The advantage from a performance standpoint on these is really just the rigidity of them, but the obvious is how cool they look. Really, it's a pretty awesome upgrade for a high-end vehicle, a pro touring car, or a resto mod. It's just an overall really cool look.
Much of what we do in the performance industry is driven by engineering. On a project like the Fast Track Elite, much of the aesthetic comes from strength, elements that convey a dynamic movement almost. We try to incorporate that to give it a feeling of kind of power within a component. The advantage of not being limited by something like tubing or sheet metal, and being able to cut something in aluminum in a three-dimensional space gives you a lot of freedom to create shapes and lines that are not normally possible. For the Fast Track Elite Series to be truly what we wanted to accomplish with the suspension setup, it not only had to incorporate the ultimate in engineering, it had to incorporate the ultimate in aesthetics as well. That would make it truly a Roadster Shop product.